This short video will teach you how to use docUcapture electronic filing software easily and efficiently. The first step is to log into your account. Your account is stored as a URL in your browser. docUcapture provides full security and security of access to the users who are authorized to log in. Once you log in, the main screen is presented to you. On the left, you see your user information, a search box which shows you the 4 ways you can search for documents once you are in the system, and an upload documents box, which is the first thing you will use in order to put new documents into the system. At the bottom of the screen is some general help and access to some short training videos which can allow you to get additional information on each piece. At this point, we're going to look at uploading a new file into the system. First thing we'll choose is Upload, and this allows you to bring a file in that has been stored on your computer. It could be a scan file stored in a scans folder. It could be any file that you would like to store away into the electronic system. You simply click on the Upload button, and that starts the upload process. In this slide, we see that the index information has been popped up requesting the data that you would put to identify your file. We've used a file on our system called SEO Made Easy. What you do is you browse to this. There's a browse button that pops up, and then I've put some notes in that are also going to be searchable in the future. And you can put anything in this box. It's just a running text box, and the data that you put in there will be searchable as you move down the run. Try to make your file something you're going to understand when you recognize the name, but in fact it doesn't really matter what you name it as long as it's something that reflects the information in your file. At the end of your upload process, the dialog pops up that shows viewing files. At any point you can click on the View Document tab and it'll show you what your new uploaded file looks like. You will also see a tab called Bookshelf, or a description called Bookshelf. This allows you to put frequently used documents onto a special folder within your system, and these can be pulled up without having to run a search of the files. Very useful if you are storing price lists or frequently used manuals or any kind of document that you're going to reference on a continuous basis. Once you have documents in the system, you have to start to find the documents. We use the search feature to do this. There are 4 different search features, and you'll see on the screen a description of each of those. For purposes of demonstration, we're going to use the quick search because it's the easiest to use and the one that in many instances is more frequently used. When we pop up the quick search, it asks us to select a cabinet. In this case, there's only one cabinet available, and that's the one we're going to use. If you have a user and a system that's set up with multiple filing cabinets, then you would pick the filing cabinets you want to run the search on. You can search one, or you can search multiple cabinets if you wish. You then put in the basic keywords that you want to use to find your document. Quite often this is the document title or a portion of the document title. It could be a date field. It could be one of a search string of data that is included in one of the notes box. These keywords will be searched across all of the index fields that have been used. So here we see the search screen results, which shows a listing of the documents that satisfied the search that we made. If there's multiple documents, then you would see them listed one after the other under the screen, and you can pick them by the additional index information that's available. Once you've found your document, you can click on the View Document Record, and here's your document as it comes up. This is a PDF document, which is what we filed, but it could be any type of document. It could be Word, could be Excel, could be an image, could be a video document. docUcapture is an easy to use, easy to acquire monthly subscription that is stored in the cloud. All your data is stored on secure servers in a secure data center and are made available to authorized users by secure connection over the internet. For further information on docUcapture, you could send an email to info@docucapture.com or call and ask about docUcapture at 905-333-8766. We'd be happy to run a more detailed, personalized demo over the internet through a webinar with you. And we know that this is a great way to save money to run